Hi guys, we're at Thorpe Junction. I think this is a stone blower. It's coming from Romford Engineers sidings to Norwich GB Rail Freight sidings. Not entirely. I think it's a stone blower, but it might not be. RGH21C. That's one of something. That's one of two things. I think a car's just driven into the yard, so it might have something to do with it. It's a network rail, I don't think, anyway. And I'm hoping, really hoping, might be able to get the earlier bus, because there's one coming from Holbeck Loco sidings, which is not that far from Doncaster, and that's going to Norwich Thorpe Civil Engineers sidings, but I've got a feeling that one is as well, so we'll see. I mean, it reckons it's got the Norwich GB Rail Freight, but I have never seen the train before it goes there, so I can't tell you where it is. Yeah, two cars just pulled up in the yard, driving about now. I don't think you can see a lot more from here, so thanks guys, see you in the next video.